Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to convert your text into table. So firstly select your text, then click on insert, then table. Now guys, here you will see option convert text to table. Split a single column of text into multiple columns. For example, you can separate a column of full names into separate list first and last name columns. You can choose how to split it up, fixed with or split at each comma, period or other character. So just click on convert text to table. Now select number of column with auto fit to contents, auto fit to window. Select paragraph, tab, comma or other. Then click on OK. So now as we can see it's text into column, and you can check and you can learn for more options. Like now we will add some table columns like this. Another way, convert, and now select commas. So like this you can check and you can select as your requirement. So hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. By these simple and easy steps we can know how to convert text into table in MS Word document. Thanks for watching.